but it was totally my fault.
If you're wondering, it's under the green flower on the left side.
Hi, I'm Miranda. I'm an elementary education major.
Hi, I'm Emma. I'm an accounting major.
We had chemistry together our freshman year. I think it was like senior breakfast that we saw each other and we were kind of like catching up, and I was like, oh hey, where are you going to school? And she's like, UGA, and I was like, do you have a roommate? And she's like, no, actually. So a lot of the stuff I feel like we kind of already had, and we were just like, all right, well this fits, because I think most of what worked out was that we both kind of have like very maximalist styles when it comes to decorating. But if I'm in the area of Squishmallows, I have to buy them, and it's really bad. That's where all my money goes. Water bottle, my big hydro flask in my hand, and I dropped it onto the mirror and it cracked, and then I texted Emma because she was already gone. I was like, I'm so sorry, and she was like, but we have to cover it now. So I sent her like a TikTok like forever ago of like these little like clay like flowers that people put on the mirror. So you can't see the crack anymore, but it was totally my fault.